We've got work ahead of us today. We've got come back from the cycle tour, and Michelle's front tyre is flat. You can see there I don't think I'll repair that one. And then I only noticed this morning, that mine's also got a puncture. So we'll be fixing those today, hopefully. Seems okay. And then do the same on the inside of the tube. Because obviously we've got a puncture somehow. Okay, that's that side. We've got a tube that needs a repair. If I don't get it this way, then I'm obviously just going to put it in some water. It's definitely got a puncture. If you lick your lips, it gets a bit moist, then you can feel it. You also use your cheek, but if you've grown a beard, that might be a bit hectic. Just a bit. You have to put a bit more pressure in there. This is obviously a very small puncture. Don't forget that. That doesn't help, does it? Okay, so you're watching that on the side of it. There you go. Of course, we're going to be taking that off with our sandpaper. Okay, I've got the self-seal well tight. Comes with a sandpaper and 6 patches. Just scuff it up a bit. The idea is just to get a bit rough so the adhesive can bond with the rubber. You want to do it both ways. You can put it in multiple ways, in fact, but these two 90 degrees to each other, and then just give it a good scuff. Okay, clean it off. Right, now we're ready to rock and roll. Okay, these are perforated. I don't think I need to do that, but anyway. So you're going to peel these off. Try not to touch the adhesive. Not try, don't. Obviously you're going to say, but I've got to pick it up. So yes, okay, fine. Right, and then center it over the patch as best you can, like so. You want to get the air out as best you can. Give it a good press. Sorry.
Hello. Hello, I'm Jim from jimthebikeguy.com, and we're going to talk about punctures.
Give it a bit of time to cure. I'll just put a bit of pressure in. As you can give it a bit of a test as well, especially our one. Then we'll let the air out again, but we'll let it all out because it just makes it a bit easier to fit. While you're just holding the valve, then hold it. That's it. And then that's probably closer to the amount that you need. So don't squeeze it out. Just let the rubber force the air out. Okay, then find this hole again. Stick it in the top there. Work it around. Jim talks about creating slack in the system and then also finishing at the valve. So we want the valve at the bottom, and then you want to start putting the tyre, flicking the tyre over. Now with the little bit of air that's in the tube, it'll keep it away from here, which is quite a good idea. And then you just pop this through. Eventually, I think this tyre is very loose, but eventually you'll get to the stage where there's a little bit left over on either side. I could probably pop that over. In fact, I'm going to. You hold it there solid, and then you put your tyre lever in and just tweak that over with it, trying not to catch the tube, obviously. But this should go. Okay, and I think we'll just do this, creating the slack, just to make sure the tube isn't pinched anywhere. Okay, and that should be it. Okay, I'm not putting full pressure in just at the moment. Just to see if I can get that, if there's anything it shouldn't be twisted. 2.5.